Plan like you're going to live forever, live like you're going to die tomorrow. That's what we're going to talk about in episode 498 of my last lecture series, 333. Small business owners, solopreneurs, if you're just joining, we're in a 14-part series of what I would impart to my family and friends if I was on my deathbed. Little snippets of things, wisdom, things you could take with you, things I think that would make a difference for my kids as well as my business associates. Today's topic, episode number 10, is about longevity. We're going to talk about life insurance, replacement plans, and retirement plans. Now, I know everybody that's listening here, you're going to be a successful business person. You probably are on the roads to that. You plan to, like me, to live to be about 120. The statement I made at the beginning, plan like you're going to live forever, but live like you're going to die tomorrow, means we need to address some things. And this is what I'd be telling my kids, what I'd be telling my closest friends. Business tip number 1, you have to have life insurance. If you're over the age of 18, even if you're not, talk to your parents about this. You have to take into consideration that you will die someday. And if that occurs early than expected, you better have a plan, especially if you're married, you have kids, you have a business, you have business associates, key man insurance, term insurance, some sort of replacement income for your family and friends. Absolutely essential if you're in a partnership or some sort of business. If one of your business partners is a key part of the success of your business, insure them. Business tip number 2, speaking of plans, everything you do, every employee you have, every task that you have needs to be completely documented in a book. How to do your job, how to replace yourself as a business owner, how do you sell in your business, how do you run the website, how do you run the e-commerce system, who has access to your merchant account. Every single thing needs to be documented. Every single replacement should be able to give a complete book to another person. If you have multiple employees, you should be able to take any of their tasks and replace it with another person, whether they're on vacation, on a leave of absence, or heaven forbid have to be replaced due to some sort of tragedy or they quit, right? Everything, and I mean everything that you do as a business owner needs to have a replacement plan. Plus, it enables you to grow. And business tip number 3, no matter what your age, from 18 and beyond, you have got to be thinking about an exit strategy, both in your business, some sort of retirement plan for you and your family, some sort of sell plan, some sort of succession plan if you plan to give the business over to maybe your kids or relatives. What is the retirement plan? What is your exit plan as part of your strategy? This is what I'd be imparting to my kids, my family, my friends, longevity. That's what I want for you. Anything I learn, I throw the fence to you because I want you guys to be awesome, live a great life. Now go back to sleep.